Hello and welcome back to these video tutorials for the educationalpath.com teacher training course. If you are not registered yet in this course, please do so on this website. And I guess if you're listening to this, if you're watching these videos because you have already signed and you know who I am. I'm Alvaro, the course coordinator, and this is a video on lesson objectives. Um, We've talked about lesson objectives while you were doing your planning, while you were doing your portfolio. So what can be lesson objectives? Most of your students, their objective will be to improve their English, but that is not an objective that is detailed enough. You need to know what for them improving their English means. You need to ask them, you need to communicate with them so that you know what the level is, what the level they want to achieve, if they are more interested in one of the four skills, like listening, speaking, reading, or writing, if they need more grammar, if they need more vocabulary, what type of vocabulary they need, etc., etc., etc. Within the lesson objectives, you might also list things like, the reasons for them to achieve that level. Do they need to pass an exam? Are we preparing? Are we helping them prepare for that exam? Do they need to improve the chances of getting a job? Are we helping them prepare that possible job interview in English? Etc., etc., etc. So the lesson objectives are supposed to be related with the objectives of that particular student or the group in the long term. Okay, and obviously, if you have a small group of say 3 students and they have different objectives, it's okay as long as you touch different objectives in different lessons. I'm sure they don't mind, especially if their objectives are compatible. Okay, and if not, please ask me for help. Thank you very much for watching this video.